What do you want? I just want your kid to be eaten. Give me your kid back. I won't. If you want, just eat yourself. I won't eat myself. You eat yourself. I just am really hungry. If you're hungry, you could leave. I'll leave, but give me your kid tomorrow. If I want, I will. What's his problem, Mom? Huh? I'm going down, Mommy. Okay. My plan is over here. And now I must take that kid. I heard something. Dado! I mean, what are you doing with him? Mommy! Oh, I just trapped your son. Now you couldn't get him out. Give him back to me! No, I won't. If I want, I will. Son, are you in there? Mom, I'm stuck. I'll try to get you out somehow. What do I get to? I call? Your dad will not come right now. Mom, I need help. I'll try to think of something. I know how to get you out, but it might take so much time. Son, please wait in there. Mom, okay. Yes? Why are you over here, Alex? Bob, we need your help. My son is stuck in Bob's trap. Bob's trap. Yeah, I'm coming. This water's Look, over there. I'm coming. Don't get that fish to bite you. Now where is it trapped in? Over here. You move. Yeah. Ow! Ow, my back! Wait, little kiddo. Yeah. Oh, there should be something over here. Why did you kill her, Baba? If I want, I'll kill her. This is my life. Then should I kill you? What did you do? I put some magical potion on you, but that wouldn't work. I'll make your kid back. I feel sorry for you. Hey, kid. I just saw you out. I came back in. I don't know how. There's some magic going on over here. Yeah, I know, but how did you be small? I'm gonna get you out.